Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start email marketing with Mailchimp, beginner guide step by step clearly. The first step to start email marketing with Mailchimp is to create an account. Visit the Mailchimp website and click on the sign up free button. Enter your email address and choose a username and password. After signing up, check your inbox for a confirmation email and verify your account. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with a dashboard. Begin by creating your first audience. Click on the Audience tab in the main menu, then select Create Audience. Fill in the required details, including audience name. Make sure to complete the required fields to ensure successful email delivery. After setting up your audience, it's time to create your first email campaign. Navigate to the Campaign section and click on Create Campaign. Select email as the campaign type. You can choose between regular email campaigns, automated emails, or other types. For beginners, select regular email. Now, name your campaign and select Begin. Next, choose the audience you want to send your email to. Remember, you can segment your audience based on specific criteria if needed. After selecting your audience, click Next. Designing your email is the next crucial step. Choose a template that suits your brand and message. Mailchimp offers various templates, including basic and themed options. Once you've chosen a template, customize it to match your content. Add your subject line, preview text, and personal greeting to enhance engagement. Now, it's time to customize the content of your email. Drag and drop different content blocks like images, text, and buttons into your email layout. Make sure to maintain a clean and visually appealing design. After finishing your email design, click Next. You will now review your email before sending it. Check that all links work and that your content is error-free. If everything looks good, proceed to schedule or send your email immediately. To schedule, choose the date and time for your email to be sent. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.